How to fix the Rave application loading problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having problems with the Rave apps loading, here is how you can fix it. First and foremost, you have to check your internet connection. Weak or unstable connections can prevent the Rave app from loading properly. So for this, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your connection. Restart your router or check your internet speed for so. Once that is done, restart your app, and after that, long press the application and go to app info. Then after, go to storage and cache and then clear the cache. You can also clear the storage, however, this will log you out and you will have to log in again. After that, make sure you have the latest version of the application. To confirm it, head over to Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS devices. Search for Rave and then tap on update if there is any update available. However, if the app is still not loading, you'll have to uninstall and reinstall it again. Uninstall the app from your device, restart your device, and then reinstall the Rave app. If you have VPN or proxy server turned on, disable it as it can interfere with the app connections. Also make sure that all the permissions for the app has been given which is needed. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.